Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the essentials now. Load Minecraft PE1. 19 and get to a safe spot near a brewing stand. Once done, arrange 3 water bottles and verify you have blaze powder as fuel. This powers every brew. Next, gather the core ingredient. Night vision requires a golden carrot, so either craft one with a carrot and 8 gold nuggets, or use a potion base with a carrot substitute. Make sure to keep items organized so brewing stays fast. Now focus on the brewing steps. Slot blaze powder in the fuel slot, then add nether wart to 3 water bottles to produce awkward potions. This is the universal base. Once you have awkward potions, insert the golden carrot into the top slot to create night vision potions that last 3 minutes. If you want longer effect, add redstone dust after the golden carrot brew to extend duration to 8 minutes. Keep items in order so you don't waste ingredients. Finish by either drinking the night vision potion yourself or convert it into a splash potion with gunpowder to affect others. Once applied, you'll see brighter blue-tinted vision for caves and night. Make sure to use redstone beforehand if you needed the extended 8-minute version. If something goes wrong, check 3 things: that blaze powder is in the fuel slot, that nether wart was brewed first, and that you used a golden carrot, not a regular carrot. Replace missing stacks and brew again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.